out to vote as a candidate
Yeah.
to some of my friends.
Yes.
Before you know it, I saw about 50 boys.
Yes.
About 11 of them were OPC members. They attacked me. They took my gold watch, took my gold bangle.
I'm the witness. I'm the witness.
Tear my clothes, start beating me like a criminal because I'm coming out to vote as a candidate of Labour Party.
Yes.
What have we done to APC in this country? Are we going to run away from APC in this country? Please, Nigeria should arise. Enough is enough for APC. Yes. It's too much for them.
Yes.
Wasu is here. Wasu is here beating people. Wasu Ayinde, the musician, is here beating people. He want to take pulling voting material into his president.
You mean Kwam1?
Kwam1, yes. Ladia Jomole is there mobilizing criminals to attack Labour Party agents everywhere. And the policemen are there. They are even joining the army to attack Labour Party agents. Go to any police unit. You see police putting away pulling unit agents of Labour Party. I'm going on the INEC chairman to cancel this election. Because what is happening in Lagos has never happened in any election before.
You mean this thing was done to you by APC people?
Yes. They took my 24-karat gold watch and my bangle.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.